I'm putting this video on YouTube in response to the quote-unquote conversation that Justice Petitioner and I have been having with regard to my videotape of 9/11, which at the time I had a camcorder that was truly on its way out, and from time to time during filming anything, it would just kind of power in, power on, power off rather. So any edits of my video were not intentional, and we even accidentally taped over some of the footage that I took that day. This is my true account of what I experienced that day. I can only offer it for anyone that is interested in taking a closer look at it. For me, it was just my memory of it. I didn't realize there were so many people out there that actually pull these things apart and are looking for evidence and clues that these were not what the media and the government wanted us to believe that they are. When we get to the part where we accidentally taped over my video, I'm gonna just fast forward.
It was whistling, and then you heard the impact right into the World Trade Center, which I'm hearing on the news was an airplane. It was actually an airplane that flew into the building.
I don't know how we recorded over that. Let me rewind that a little. I just want to rewind it, don't want to miss anything at all.
I know, but I don't.
Again, I don't know what the heck was going on with this tape. This is all in honesty. I have nothing to hide. I am not a part of any government cover-up. Again, I'm just going to rewind that because I do see the quote-unquote edits that Justice Petitioner is talking about, and I did not intentionally edit anything, and again, the camera that I had was not reliable, and I don't know if it's a combination of that, the force of the explosion, my nervousness, not knowing if I should continue filming, keep going. Just so many things are going through your head at that minute. This is my honest account, whether people want to believe me or not. The other plane coming. I don't know if you can hear that sound.
Oh my God! It's blowing up more. People are running. What the hell is going on? More of it's blowing up. There's bombs all inside the World Trade Center. Another part of it just blew up. God, this is crazy. These terrorists, these people are mad. I don't know what this America is doing to them.
I didn't realize
the building now
that my footage would be this important. But like Justice Petitioner said, everyone's story and everyone's footage is important. I didn't think nothing of this at the time and all the way to this day. But I'm learning.
Did Lourdes get to work yet? This is no accident. There's still more explosions coming out of that World Trade Center. The other building just exploded now. I can't believe what's happening here. I'm like a nervous wreck. I hope she's okay. I hope we're not doing up and down in the subways. Okay, well, I'll please give her the message that I called. Okay. Angela? Thank you. Bye. Hello? They're blowing it up more, right, Nigel? Where am I supposed to go? Alright. I don't know what to do, Nigel. I don't know where to go. Should I head uptown? You don't know if they can just head all of New York. I don't know what to do, Nigel. I was just filming the building and the explosion. Another one happened right as I was filming it. It's coming from inside. They got all bombs inside there. It's coming. The second explosion came from inside. It exploded from the inside because I felt the air hit me when it exploded. All right, let me get out of here. All right, bye. All right, bye.
That's all I have. Now I have pictures of the next day with all the debris laying around on the ground. I just have to dig that stuff up and maybe post it separately. But this is everything that I have. And I'm willing to put myself out there and be scrutinized by people that, you know, think that maybe my tape is edited on purpose for whatever reason. I know what I know. I know the truth between me and the man upstairs, and that's all that really matters.